What is up, guys? Let's go over today, the third, on what we need to get done for Mr. Vaught's class. So, as you see, I'm on my Canvas page, but we need to make sure we get to it. So, once you get her, okay, weekly agenda this week, okay, on today, there's an election map and you need to vote, okay? Today is National Election Day, so we need to make sure we vote, okay? It's a simple Google form. Now, when you click on the vote for president up at the top here, okay, you need to be on, okay, your East Noble account here. So if you're on your personal Gmail account, if you're on something else that's not your eastnoble.net account, it will not work. So just sign out, sign into your East Noble account, just like you would signing in a computer or anything else, and then it will allow you to get to the exit ticket, okay, or the voting of it. It's a Google forum. Click on it. It's one question: who you're going to vote for. Okay, if you were 18 and you were able to vote today, who would you vote for? Not what your parents would do, not what your friends would do. What would you do? Go ahead and vote. And that's it. Okay, we'll talk about the who wins the middle school election tomorrow, but it's simple and easy. Now, the map. Here's what I want you doing for that. So you're going to click on it. You're going to download it. Yeah. This map should be easier to work with. Okay, remember, enable editing because it's a watermark, so you shouldn't be able to write on you shouldn't be able to move the image. It should just be there. So let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you see the bottom, kind of what you're going to do here. You're going to color a state red for Trump, blue for Biden. You are making a prediction. Okay, so who do you think is going to win the state? So I think, let's say, I'm going to come up here to color. Let's say I want to do red. If I think a state's going to go for Trump, let's say Texas, I'm going to color this state red. Okay, it's a prediction. I don't know because we don't know yet. If I think Biden's going to win California, I'd color that blue. Okay, so I go through this whole 50 states, coloring each state. So in the future, if I think he's going to win Indiana, I hit this. If I think he's going to win this, I hit that. Okay, if I think he's going to win this little one, okay, I just go through and color which state I think they are going to win. All right, so you're just going to go through and color whatever you want. Okay, it's a prediction. Now, what you need to do then is then save it and email it to me. Okay, when you email me, I need it by 3 o'clock today. The goal is to try to make this a competition amongst you guys. So I want to see who comes the closest at guessing the actual election map out. Okay, do not forget about Hawaii and Alaska down here. Okay, a lot of people will forget about it, so be careful around those. Okay, like I said, if you make a mistake, obviously just erase it. All right, so color the map. Make sure you get every single state. Okay, do not forget about the other two down here. All right, and then make sure you got every single state. If you want to zoom in, you can zoom in here. If I can, maybe. There you go. Okay, so get the smaller states right here. Okay, you have Maryland, New Jersey, and stuff like that. Okay, so make sure you get all those states there. And then send it to me by 3 o'clock. Okay, I want to cut us off by 3 o'clock just because I don't want you waiting up all night, getting the election, getting it the final count, and then submitting it at midnight. But okay, see, I got it. Don't cheat. Okay, so by 3 o'clock, make sure you have emailed that to me. Okay, if we go back on Canvas today, you're working on the must-have, so you're describing the words. So if you look at the words again, what you're going to do is describe what a pharaoh is. Okay, so obviously if you look at the definition, you know what it is. Now describe kind of like what they represent. Who are they kind of like today? Pyramid, what kind of structure it is, or what are they holding? Okay, they didn't build a pyramid just to look good. They actually had a purpose. The Nile River, okay, what was it used for? Okay, and then Egypt, where's it located at? Okay, that kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to work on that. The turn-in window for Bellwork is already available, so you can turn in if you want. If not, it's up to you. Other than that, if you have any questions or anything about what's going on today, just let me know. All right, see you guys.